In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QR code on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can pull up the QR code associated with your order and use it at a drop-off point or when you need to access your shipping details quickly. Start by opening your web browser and going to Vinted.com. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop or laptop as the interface is easiest to navigate there. Make sure your browser is up to date so all buttons and menus load properly. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in as you continue. Just sign in as you normally do and then proceed. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This icon opens your personal menu and is where Vinted groups your account options, including your purchases, sales, and settings. From that menu, choose My Orders. This is the central place where you can view the status of each transaction and access the details you'll need for shipping and collection. On the Orders screen, pick the order you want the QR code for. If you have multiple orders, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one by checking its title, price, or date. Clicking into the order opens the full details page, where you'll see information like shipping method and tracking progress once it's available. The QR code you're after is tied to this order and is typically used to help the carrier identify and process your parcel at the drop-off point. With the order page open, right-click with your mouse to bring up the context menu. If you're on a Mac, a control click does the same thing, and on many touchpads, a two-finger click works as well. Aim your click within the order details area to make sure you're interacting with the correct section. From the menu that appears, click Generate Code. This triggers the site to create the QR code for that specific order. Give it a moment. Once generated, the QR code should appear on your screen. Keep it handy. You can take a screenshot, save the image, or keep the page open on your phone when you head to the drop-off location so the staff can scan it. If the Generate Code option doesn't appear, try refreshing the page, confirming the order is in the right status for shipping, or switching browsers. That's all there is to it. You've now accessed the QR code for your Vinted order quickly and confidently.